So we have the problem figure of 5.14. A pin connected at point A and rest against a smooth support at point B. Determine the resultant vertical components of reaction at A and B. So we have this diagram. We have a 30 degrees angle that acts along the x-axis and 0.75 meters of distance at point B. Then we have a 1 meter distance from point A to 60 Newton force of the spring, and from the spring to the 90 Newton meter force, we have a 0.5 meter of distance. So first we will moment at point A, because at point A we have a lot of forces that act. So let's assume that counterclockwise is positive at summation of moment A is equal to 0. So from positive 90 Newton meter, we will have the negative 20 Newton meter minus 60 Newton multiplied by its distance 1 meter plus Vy multiplied by 0.75 meter. So we have a Vy of 200 Newton. So for our summation of Fx, Ax negative 200 sine with 30 degrees angle along the x is equals to 0, and we have an Ax of 100 Newton. And for our summation of Fy, Ay minus 100 cos 30 degrees minus our 60 Newton forces of the spring, because it's going downward and our forces will be perpendicular to each other, so it will go up, so it will be negative, so negative 60 Newton, and we have an Ay of 223 Newton. So any question? Let's see.
Anong na-negative na 200 sa Ax sa Ay?
Kaya ang ating Vy is positive man along the x-axis, then ang force man sa ating Vy is going down. So pag abot sa atong summation of forces na natin sa x and y, ang atong dito man din atong point is 200, pero negative na din siya, kaya ang force sa Vy is allowed, kaya forces ay perpendicular man sa each other.
This problem 5.16, we have to determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction with the pin A and the normal reaction at the roller B. So, natay dua ka reaction din sa pin A, which is ang A-axis o ang AY na axis. From pin A to din sa weight na to 750 pounds, high distance na 50 feet, then ikan din sa to weight kung din sa roller B is na type 3 feet, then ako siya para nga 2 feet. Tapos yung kuha niya din yung force niya is isa lang, which is pasapa. And ako siya angle na 30 degrees. So, ang atong summation of moment, ang atong dy cosine 30 times nato sa 6 feet, which is kami. Dahil, i-minus nato sa minus sine 30, kung kami siya, pasaka. Minus sa itong pound na 750 pounds times 3 feet. So, equals to 0. So, ang itong Vy is 536.2 pounds. Next na ito is ang pag-solve na ito sa summation of Fx. So, ang itong Ax, paana siya, minus sa itong Vy, kanin sine 30 na. So ang ito ang AX is 268 pounds. Then ito na itong BY, itong FY is coming AY plus 536.2 cosine of sila cosine 30 minus sa itong weight na 750 pounds. So ang itong AY is 286 pounds.
Another question. Ang sa moment of summation of moment sa point A, ano 6 feet, 2 feet, o 3 feet ang distance na gamit?
Ang inspiration na paana ay ang from point A to ruler P is ba 3 plus 3, 6 feet. Kunya, since hindi naman ka nagsugod sa itong DY, so gamit pa ito sa 30. Hindi yan siya nakapase. Tapos, basihan na tuloy na ito itong kaning pasakan niya. Kaning okay. So, from DY to delay is sine 30 times minus ng 2 feet. Minus na po from 1 pin A natulong sa itong base na 750. Yung mga distance is i-feet naman. So, ang 750 pounds times na ito na po sa i-feet na distance. So, wala din siya ang answer sa itong DY. 536